Hi guys, so inside this video I want to explain how this indicator works. So I want you to understand something about this indicator. You can see that we have a very black light here, between here and here. This indicator show the two trend every day, just two trend per day. You can see another one, we have the longer one, and this is the longer one from here to here, you can see that. And also we have the shorter one from here to here. So the shorter one is what I used to take, and I used to take that particular shorter one with the help of this arrow, with the help of this supply and demand breakdown. So there's no way you are not going to be making a massive profit with this. Now let me tell you something about this. So you can see that in the beginning of each trend, each black light line that you can see here, it always shows the trend of the market here. You can see, let me show you another one. At this particular range, the beginning, once it's starting forming this particular line, you will see that it's going to appear a two parallel line at this entry. So if the trade break it down on a down level, it's going to turn it to what? It's going to turn it to this color. It's going to turn it to ash color. But if it break it on the upper level, that is when it's going to show you a uptrend level, which is mean you are going for a what? You are going for a buy zone at this level, and this particular zone you are going for a what? A down entry. And that's why I take this particular trade at this particular level. You can see that I take it to this level, and that give me a massive profit. This is boom 1000, and the same principle works on all boom and crash. So it works on all boom and crash. So this is boom 1000 5-minute time frames. All you need to wait is to wait for this indicator to reprint this short trend. So what I used to take is this short trend, and I used to take it immediately the long one form completely. You can see this is the long one from here to here, and after this long one it will follow the short one, and after the short one the long one will follow. Now this money now is going to, this is the long one now, so this money in the next 2 hours is going to form a short one that will start like this entry. So what I need to wait next is to wait for this particular arrow, this one. So once this particular arrow show at the beginning of this trend, I've already know that this particular trade is going on a downtrend, and that trend will complete for 5 to 6 hours, and this is what I'm going to check. You can see this, I take this one yesterday, and also if you can check this one, this is the long one and this is the short one here. You can see what happened here, that we have the trend at this particular level, but there is no any arrow indicates to me, but the last arrow I can see was from here. So it means this particular trend is still on the uptrend. So let me show you, let me show you another one here. You can see this is the long reprint, this is a long reprint, and if we see this also, we can see that, you can see this is exactly the right time for you to take a particular trade. You can see what happened here. So immediately it starts to reprint this black light, then what you need to do is to wait for your arrow indicator to what? To apply, so that you will understand which particular level this particular thing is going to break down. So you can see what happened yesterday on a short trend now. So this particular short trend from this level to this level now, it take up to 4-5 hours. So starting from 11 this morning now, you can see that it's going to reprint, or by 10 it's going to reprint this trend, and you need to wait for the trade to move completely away from the trend from here. Once it break this level now, you will see what is going to print here. So let me show you on crash 500. This is the long trend and this is the short one. You can see this is the long one and this is the short one. You can see what happened here. So the one I took yesterday was this, and the reason why I take this is that immediately this particular black light print long trend is up on here,